Here we go again then, guys. Right, so we're going to get straight into this one today, into the shunter to go and couple up to the trailer for MOT. However, the batteries on the shunter are flat, so I'm going to go and get the other shunter and let someone else jump start it. It's Friday and I ain't got time to be messing about, so we're going to go and get the apprentice or someone to sort out the other shunter while we get this one coupled up and crack on with the job. That chuffing you heard there is coming from the EBS modulator, and it should chuff a couple of times when you first connect it up, but this one has definitely got a fault because it's doing it continuously until I let the park brake off and on again, as you can see there. So that's going to need some diag, so keep an eye out for part 2 and part 3, which there will be of this video. As you can see, this is quite an old trailer and there is a little bit of rot, so we're going to get that plated up. That's psychological warfare with the MOT tester as well. If they see that you've been round and plated stuff, they're generally not going to look quite as hard as if they see loads of rusty old holes. Crash bars standard, pushed in too far, and all the other usual defects regarding wings not covering tyres, wings split and bits and pieces. Bit more cracking there, that's the landing leg braces to the cross member in the centre of the chassis. Is quite a common thing for that to crack on the older trailers. If you noticed, we've got no conspicuously tape down the side of this one. That's how old this trailer is. It's actually a 2000 trailer. Given how old it is, it's not actually in that bad condition. It is one we regularly look after, so we do tend to keep on top of it. Brake pads, near and low. I'll advise it on the service sheet, but that's definitely good until next inspection. You've got to watch out on the trailers though, they do tend to chew through discs and pads. Shoes definitely last a lot longer. We have plastic push fits in the brake hoses there, they're definitely going to need changing. That is 100% MOT failure, unless they are type approved Rayfos fittings. Another little one is, anyone will know, these SAF axle and Mercedes axle trailing arm bushers, big 6-inch diameter rubber bushers prone to wearing. These ones actually look okay. I tend to line the welded seam in the axle with the centre of the spring eye bolt. If that's all good, generally they're okay, but I will show you a little trick later on how I test them as well without using shaker plates. And on shaker plates as well, you will get a little bit of movement in them because there is a lot of rubber in there. Not too bad to change though, I don't mind doing them, especially when you've got the proper hydraulic pullers. So we're going to get some tyre jizz in some of the cuts on them tyres, and some of these airbags are getting a bit perished and some of the rubber is starting to come away from the cords. That would pass MOT, but I am going to change them as preventative maintenance because I also noted that on the first axle they were getting low too. Don't forget to like and follow and stay tuned for part 2 and part 3.